Hi! Today we're going to show you how to make a homemade DIY Valentine that lights up.
And you know what all good Valentines need?
What?
A bad pun!
Right, of course. So do you guys have a pun to use for today's Valentine?
Yes!
What is it?
A surprise!
Of course, I should have known. So what do we need to make these homemade Valentines?
A LED. Copper tape with conductive adhesive. A towing battery. A button switch. Some starch tape. Scissors and a glue stick. And these printouts.
Great! And those printouts can be downloaded from our website at geekpackhack.com. Now, what do we do first?
Cut out the Valentines. Next, we put copper tape on the gray rectangles. Time for the battery.
We can make a loop of copper tape with the sticky side out to affix the battery to the other tape with the plus side down.
The LED goes on next.
The longer LED contact goes on the left. We can bend the LED contacts for a better connection, like this. Now make sure not to touch the side of the battery with the LED. The contact should only touch the top.
And now, the switch.
We have to bend these switch contacts too. And then we need to test the LED before we tape it down to make sure that it's connected in the right direction, because LEDs only let electricity through one way.
It works.
We can use a bit more copper tape to affix the leads to the copper tape we already put down, and to attach the lead of the LED to the top of the battery. Usually when we use an LED, we put a resistor in series with it to make sure that not too much current goes through. In this circuit, we've checked to make sure this battery won't put too much current through the LED, even without the resistor.
Time to poke a hole in the front of the card for the LED and glue it down. Ready for the pun?
Oh boy.
There you go.
Thanks. To Dad from us, and it says, "You shine."
Here's another one.
I like you a whole lot. Oh.
We've got more.
What's up, Valentine?
One more.
Thank you. You light up my life. Thanks, guys. We hope you'll join us again next month. See our website at geekpackhack.com for info on supplies and project guidance for adults. Please leave us a comment to let us know what you think, and send us your ideas for wacky hacks. If you enjoy our show, don't forget to subscribe and give us the thumbs up.